Hello everyone, this is my new video on my channel and I am going to start a new chapter for class 3 conjunctions. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a joiner, a word that connects, conjoins parts of a sentence. A word connecting words, clauses or sentences. There are two general types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions include for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These conjunctions connect words, phrases, and clauses of equal value. Coordinating conjunctions. For is used to introduce a reason, and is used to show an additional idea. Nor is a negative form of or. But is used to limit or contradict constraint, or is used to show choices or options, yet is to limit or contradict contrast. So is used to introduce an effect or a result. Subordinating conjunctions. Here are the subordinating conjunctions. You all can read it from here. Than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas, after, as soon as, until, whenever, now, that, though, although, even though, who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose, because, since, so, that, in order to, as, if, only, if, unless, provided that, assuming that, where, wherever, that, whatever, which, whichever, how, as though, as if. So these are some of the subordinating conjunctions. Here also I have taken some common subordinating conjunctions like as, since, provided, that, in order, if, until, how, where, because, although, after, when, so, whereas, though, before, while, unless. Here I have taken some of the common conjunctions which are used: and, or, as, so, but, then, etc. And joins together. And to suggest that one idea is chronologically sequential to another, Curlin sent in her applications and waited by the phone for a response. To suggest that one idea is the result of another, Willie heard the weather report and promptly boarded up his house. To suggest that one idea is in contrast to another, frequently replaced by but in this usage. Joan is brilliant and Shane has a pleasant personality. So these are some of the examples of and. But shows difference. But to suggest a contrast that is unexpected in light of the first clause, Joey lost a fortune in the stock market, but he still seems able to live quite comfortably. To suggest in an affirmative sense what the first part of the sentence implied in a negative way, sometimes replaced by on the contrary. The club never invested foolishly, but used the services of a sage investment counselor to connect two ideas with the meaning of with the exception of, and then the second word takes over as a subject. Everybody but Golden Breath is trying out for the team. So these are the examples of but. Now let us come to so. So shows that the second idea is the result of the first. So There is an example. It was raining. We brought an umbrella. Now we will add these two examples and we will add so in between of them. It was raining, so we brought an umbrella. Now this sentence is looking good because we have added conjunctions to it. Conjunction. What is your favorite function? What is your function? As. As shows two events happening at the same time. So here two examples are there, and then in those examples we have added the conjunction as. I saw my sister, I was leaving. I saw my sister as I was leaving. I was playing the piano. My mother was cooking. I was playing the piano as my mother was cooking. Or and nor. Dexter could be your laboratory partner. Jasper could be your laboratory partner. Dexter or Jasper could be your laboratory partner. What if Dexter and Jasper already have their own partner? Dexter nor Jasper could be your laboratory partner. So here we have used both or and nor. So children, now I have given you a worksheet on coordinating conjunctions. So you all have to complete this. I've given this worksheet to you with the choices and you have to complete the sentences with correct conjunctions. The next one I have given for the children to learn subordinating conjunctions. There are some sentences and you have to fill the answer which are given in the column above. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, if you understand something, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.